Hello everyone, hello students. In my yesterday's class I have discussed about the hardware components, or we can say the block diagram of a computer. So in the block diagram uh, we have input device. So what is the use of this input device? Through this input device we provide control signal to the computer, which is known as inputs or the data signal. Then again those input signals are again converted into digital form, as computer understand only digital format. So for that we need to convert input signal, our language or input signal converted into digital form for the processing inside the computer. So for that we need the input device. So in short we can say the input device is used to scan the input. It is so some of the input devices as to be included are keyboard, mouse, scanner, touchscreen, etc. And we have next output device. So this type of device is to display those output given by the computer to the user. So uh, computer will give the result in the form of digital or binary form. So it we need to convert those digital information into human understandable form. So it includes output device includes monitor, projector, headphone, speaker, printers, etc. Then next we have storage device. So what is the use of this storage device? Storage is mainly for storing the data. Either it can be for temporary uses or for the permanent uses. So memory is again divided into two types. First one is primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory mainly work with temporary data, while the secondary memory work on permanent data storage. So in primary memory it is again divided into two types, that is RAM and ROM. That is RAM and ROM. So full form of RAM is first, RAM means random access memory. RAM means random access memory. Here data can be written, we can read, we can write or update data in RAM, while in ROM this is read only memory, so we can only read the data from ROM memory, but we cannot write or delete on it. So RAM store all the current operation, all the ongoing or all the current operation will be stored in RAM, while ROM stored all the startup process. Okay, then next we have secondary memory. In secondary memory there are two types of memory. First one is magnetic memory, and next we have optical memory. Magnetic memory, nowadays we can say those floppy disk. It is no longer using nowadays because its storage power is very low. So next we have optical memory. Then optical memory is using currently we have compact disc, CD, DVD, etc. All this comes under this optical memory.